Welcome to Siblish.
One sunny morning, Mom sat on the mat with her children, Hamdan and Raania, ready for phonics time. Before we learn something new, Mom smiled. Let's revise the sounds we already know. Mom showed them the first sound card.
S,
Together, Hamdan and Raania said,
S,
and Mom showed the next card.
A,
Children said happily. Mom picked up another card.
T.
They said together, feeling proud. Well done, Mom said. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Yes, Hamdan and Raania said excitedly. Mom showed them some pictures. Parrot, they said. Pan, the children said. All these words start with the same sound, Mom explained. Then she showed them a new sound card. This is
P.
We say. Hamdan and Raania said together. Mom asked, can you think of other words that start with the
P.
Raania thought for a moment and said, pink and plant. Very good, Mom smiled. Hamdan said proudly, plate and peacock. Excellent thinking, Mom said. Now let's practice right,
P.
Mom said. She showed them how to write it in the air. Start from the top, go straight down, go back to the top, and make a curve. The children copied Mom, moving their fingers in the air. Then Mom brought the sand tray. Hamdan and Raania carefully wrote
P.
sand. Great work today, Mom said warmly. The children smiled, happy and excited to learn more sounds next time.
Vocabulary. S, S, A, A, T, T, P, P, S, A, T, sat, at, at, P, at, pat, T, A, P, tap, pencil, pizza, pillow, pan, popcorn, parrot, pencil, pen, pink, plant, plate, peacock, Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Siblish.